Hi and welcome back to Siren Crypto. I'm Becky, and in this series we have talked already about the importance of a trader's psychology. Winning and losing in financial markets isn't just to do with staring at a chart and getting your indicators right. I think an important bit of trading psychology starts right at the beginning with placing that all-important first trade. Firstly, here's our disclaimer. This tutorial is for educational and illustrative purposes only. We are not responsible for any investments made applying this information or buying or selling recommendations. Siren Crypto are not licensed investment advisors. We make no recommendations to purchase or sell any kind of coin, option or security. Any investment contains risk and is 100% the responsibility of the investor to assess the risks and rewards involved. Trading the crypto market involves a high degree of risk, and you may incur financial losses if you engage in this activity. We at Siren Crypto take no liability, assumed or implied, from your application of the information we share within our training programs. I think for plenty of us, when we open our first trading account, one of the big, almost mental hurdles that we have to overcome is placing that first trade. I do think until you place that first trade, it's difficult to start on your journey of trading. I thought I would give you a couple of tips as to how we can overcome that. And first of all, let's think about why placing that first trade is difficult. If it's something you've never done before, you may get nervous at the prospect of the loss if things don't go the right way. Now, taking manageable losses is all part and parcel of trading, and our hope is that our profits outweigh the losses. But of course, we can manage the risk of that initial trade. I'd say step number one, when we have found the market we are interested in trading, is not surprisingly the most important to decide on, is the stop loss. We're going to place our first trade, and the most important thing we think about is, okay, if this doesn't work out and if it's something you've never done before, accept the fact it may not work out, and then how are we going to manage that risk? Secondly, and this is really important from a psychological point of view, is to trade small. However you are trading, the first trade you do, you should do it at a level where win or lose, it doesn't matter at all. What we are trying to do is to overcome that mental barrier of doing your very first trade. To recap then, decide on a stop loss and trade small. Trade the smallest that you can on that trading exchange or platform so that no win or loss really matters. Well, we've looked at this in theory, let's have a look at it and actually do it. Now, I'm working on the crypto markets because they're always volatile and there's always something going on. The market I have here is from a signal from our Signal Siren Premium channel. Our analyst has done all the heavy lifting for us. In this example, he has found the best buying price as well as some suggested take profit targets. Of course, we cannot forget the all-important stop loss that I am going to be using when I'm going to be setting up this trade. To be fair, I don't need to worry too much with this trade because this signaler is currently ranking at number 1 at a 93% win or success rate within Signal Siren Premium. Using our premium signal service is very simple. I'll pop a link to our tutorial on Signal Siren Premium below. I can recommend you take a look at it after this video. I use the 3Commas platform to place my trades and to monitor my trades, and they're all in one really convenient place. I'm going to go through with you now how to place your first trade on the 3Commas platform, because what we want to actually get used to doing is the process of trading. So log into your 3Commas account and then you click on Smart Trade. Select the exchange account you would like to trade from. You may have more than one account, and then go and choose the coin pairing. So in this case it's from the signal, and today's signal was Bitcoin paired with GTO. The next thing I'm going to do is select limit order, and then I'm going to type in the recommended buy price. That was off the buy zone that was on the signal earlier, and then I'm going to use the smallest trade size possible, which is 0.0002 of a Bitcoin. Then I'm going to put in my take profit or sell order, which is off the recommended target from the signal. And thirdly, of course, the stop loss, the most important part of our trade. I'm going to put the stop loss in at the recommended zone from the signal earlier. I'm trading the smallest amount that I can on this exchange, so there we go. We press create trade and that's it. Congratulations! The hurdle of the first trade is now out of the way. Now, as a first trade, I wouldn't be too bothered on whether that is a profit or a loss. However, I can track that trade in real time on my 3Commas dashboard. It's so easy now with 3Commas to monitor the trade in real time. I've got my stop loss in there protecting me if the market should change. You can see that's indicated there. It's understandable why placing that first trade is such a mental hurdle, but if you qualify the risk using a stop loss and you trade as small as you can, so the amount of money at risk is really negligible, I don't think getting past that barrier should really be such an issue. Well, that's it for this brief look at just one element of trading psychology. There's a whole other series of videos that we've done that you can watch that looks at other parts of the trader's psychology. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you don't miss out on all of our videos by clicking the subscribe button. You'll get notified when our next lesson is uploaded. Well, I'm Becky. Thanks for watching Siren Crypto, and I'll see you on the next video. Happy trading!